ప్రకాశంగా చార్జ్ తీసుకున్నాను. దాని ముందు నేను కృష్ణా జిల్లాలో అడిషనల్ ఎస్పీ అడ్మిన్గా పనిచేశాను. మన సీఎం గారు, మన డీజీపీ గారు నా మీద నమ్మకం పెట్టి నాకు ఇలాంటి అవకాశం ఇచ్చారు. So I am very grateful to them, and I am very humbled by this opportunity, and చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను. ఎస్పీ ప్రకాశం గారు పని చేసేప్పుడు one of the important priorities for me will be Mahila Bhadra. Women safety, as you all know that mana state government and Andhra Pradesh police already rakarakalu programs start chesaru. And for example, launching of Disha SOS app and popularizing of this Disha app. Then every district lo Disha police station airport chesaru. And also in every police station oka women help desk kuda airport cheyadam jarigindi. So ilanti chala initiatives already they have been taken up, and I will continue to take up these initiatives to achieve the goal for women's safety anytime and anywhere. And as we go along, we will think of more initiatives, innovative ideas to make this dream become a reality. Apart from this, I would like to tell the people of Prakasham that I will always be available for you. Anytime any problems are in your life, you can freely reach out to me, particularly persons who are more vulnerable, that is ladies, senior citizens, children, or vulnerable sections. Anybody, you should feel free to reach out to me, and I will always respond. And apart from this, regarding to crime, so my goal will be to have a policing system in which all crimes are registered in a free and investigated in a free and fair manner, and there is no harassment for the victims, and all the case investigation is done in a quick way so that justice can be delivered swiftly. Apart from this, with regard to enforcement and illegal activities, there will be zero tolerance for these activities. For example, illegal liquor, gutka, gambling, drugs. All of these, we strictly monitor these activities and take action against them. And also with regard to police department, there will be zero tolerance for any sort of corruption or any mischief. And coming to technology aspects, already state level lo chala programs jarugutundi. There are HCM, Human Capital Management only, EACR, E-Service Registers. So Prakasham District Police will participate in all of these wholeheartedly, so that technology can be a part of our daily working lives to make it more effective. And apart from this, I will also be taking initiatives to make the day-to-day police system, police internal functioning of the administration more effective and efficient, and also take up initiatives for the welfare of our police personnel. So in the coming days, I will be taking an extensive tour of the district to understand the situation over here, the functioning of the police in Prakasham district. And in the end, I would just like to say that andarito kalisi pani cheyadam idi na asha, and not just persons of police department, but also other departments like revenue department, judiciary, public representatives, media persons. So my belief is that if we all work together, we can have very good results for Prakasham district in the coming future. Thank you.